Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to descale your machine. So to descale your machine, we need to enter descale mode. You'll do this by turning on your machine, and then you'll press and hold the coffee and steam buttons simultaneously to access the setup or the cleaning menu. You'll use the left button to navigate to the cleaning option, which is CLN. Then you will press the right button to select it to turn it on. Next, we'll wait for the light underneath the shot switch to stop blinking. We'll place a container underneath the group head and hit the coffee button. This will run as long as you need, so I'll let it run for about 10 seconds. Then I'll turn it off. I'll move our container over to the hot water tap. We'll turn that on, and again, let it flow for around 10 seconds. We'll turn that hot water tap off, and then we'll move over to the steam wand. We'll turn the steam function on, and I'll pull down the steam lever, and instead of hot steam exiting, there'll be water that's descaling through, and that will also fill up our container. I'll finish about 10 seconds, and then we'll cycle through the same process again until we're about halfway through our descale liquid. At that point, we'll take a blind basket and we'll put it in our portafilter. We'll backflush, holding it active on the brew switch for about 7 seconds, and then we'll release for 10 seconds. We should repeat this about 10 times as well to clean the group head. After we do this, we'll turn the machine off and leave it off for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the solution to sit in the machine. Now, it's been about 30 minutes. We'll come back and we'll turn the machine on. We're going to run the remaining descaling solution through the group head, the steam wand, and the hot water tap, just like we did before. And we'll perform a few more backflushes until the tank is completely empty. At this point, we will refill the water tank with fresh, clean water, and we'll flush the system by running at least 2 full tanks of clean water through the group head and the steam wand to remove any residue. And now your machine is descaled and it's ready to brew fresh, clean coffee. Thanks for watching, and remember, it takes 2 to brew.